Right, good morning. It's March the 3rd, 2016, 7:07 in the morning. I've just sent the members' email out, so I just thought I'd do a video with some analysis just to see how this works really, and if it's any clearer and helps explain things and shows you what I'm looking at. So this is my charts window here. We've got a 10-minute chart over on this side, and then a 30-minute below that, and then a 2-hour chart and a daily chart as well. So I've got 4 snapshots, if you like, for the FTSE. So basically, if I just look at this 10-minute chart to start with, and let me make that a bit bigger, move that over here. What I'm looking at is initial support at around the 6140 area, so where we've got this green line coming up here. We've also got, if I just zoom out, we've also got a rising 10-minute channel, so let me just zoom out a bit, as you can see here. So we're just testing the bottom of that channel. To be honest, having had that fall yesterday from 6,210, 6210 down to 6100, and then the bounce was probably mostly driven by the dividend hunters. We had a 13-point divvy yesterday, so they would have come in for that. And as you saw at 4:30, just after the bell, we fell back down to 6110. Overnight has been all right. It's held up okay. However, the acid test is going to be this morning, this 6140 level for the bulls. If they can hold that, then if I go over to this 2-hour chart, I'm seeing a rise up to the 6172 area, which we've got over here. So that's what I'm thinking initially. So 6140 will hold, a rise to 6172, and then some further downside from there. This chart with just these 2 moving averages on, the blue and the purple line, fairly simple, but that's actually showing that I'm on the 2-hour chart, we're actually bearish at the moment, which is interesting. So we may well break that 6140 later on today if we don't break it first thing this morning. I'm actually feeling a bit more bearish than bullish anyway, mainly because I think we've come a bit too fast from 5,500. And if I just go to my daily chart and make that bigger, you'll see we're actually slap bang in the middle of the RAF channels. However, the daily RSI, which I've got set to 10, is actually at 65. So whilst we're not overbought, it's a little bit high. So I'm still favouring a pullback down towards that 6,000 area. And then from there, we'll see what happens. We'll either bounce and start to build on this rise. And I've read various things that are talking about all-time highs and things like that. But in the short term, let's see what we do. I think we're on for 6,000 at some point, whether that's today or tomorrow. Or next week, remains to be seen, but bear that in mind. So for today, if the 6140 area does hold this morning, then as I said, I see a rise up to the 6170 area, 6172, something like that, before a dip down to probably where we have this 200 EMA on the 30-minute chart, if I just make that bigger. 200 EMA is down here at about 6110, so actually the overnight low from yesterday, or from last night actually, stand corrected. So let's see what the bulls do. It is weak support at this 6140, but we'll go from there. I hope you found this video interesting. There's more details on the website at hillsdontrading.com, or feel free to email or message me, info@hillsdontrading.com. And any feedback on this video will be good. Obviously this is the first one, but hopefully I'll get a bit slicker as we go along. Thanks for watching.